How to set up OpenAI API billing. So this is a summary of the setup. All that you have to do is simply come here, then come and click on confirm payment, and then you are done. So let me show you how to do it. Simply go to Google. From Google search, come and type in OpenAI API and then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of OpenAI. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, so over here you see that we have the option here that is start building. Come and click on the down arrow, and then simply come here to the API dashboard and come and click on it. You have to come and then log in with your email address, then you click on continue, or you can simply come and then select any of these options to log in. So simply come and then click on continue with Google. It's going to bring you right here to the OpenAI platform. So from here, you see that you have the API keys. Come and click on it. So mostly it is advised to always set the billing before creating your API key. So to do it, simply come and then click on create new secret key after setting billing. So to set billing, come here to where it says add credits, and then come and then click on go to billing. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the billing. So when you come here to the payment method and then you click on it, you see that I haven't set any billing yet. So to do it, all that you have to do is simply come here to the overview and then come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here, and then from here you see the option to add payment details. Come and click on it. So over here, come and then add your details. Okay, so we have the card number, and then we have the month and the year, and then the code, okay, at the back of the card. After that, come and put in the full name, and then set your country, your address, your city, your postal code, and then where you are. After that, simply come here where it says purchasing as a business. If you are not, just leave it like that and come and click on continue. So it's going to bring you right here to where you have to come and then configure the amount. Okay, so mostly you have to start from $5 to $100. Okay, so it depends on you, but I'm simply going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to leave it at $10, and then that is the model pricing. Okay, so when you come here, you see that you have the option to set it automatically. It will always recharge itself. So when you leave the boss check, it is automatic, but when you uncheck it, you have to always come and then set new payment. So if you leave it check, you have to come and then set the credit balance. Okay, it doesn't have to be below $5. Always you have to set it within $5 up to 95. And then over here, that is bring credit back up to, you also have to come and then set this within $10 and then $100. Okay, it depends on you. And then over here, that is the limit, the amount of automatic recharge per month. You also have to set it within, that is $10 and then $100. Okay, so you can put in the amount that you prefer, just like this. When you are done, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on continue. And over here, you see a summary of the purchase. Okay, so as you can see from here, this is a summary of it, and this one is automatic recharge. Okay, so this is the payment method, and all that you have to do is to simply come here and then click on confirm payment, and that is it.